Hello people, today we're going to show you that, today we're going to have a live stream. So if you want to come to my live stream today, we're going to play Game Boy Advance, so that'll be good because we're going to download some rooms. We're going to show we're going to show everything behind it. So like we're going to do on the computer, sorry, not my iPhone, computer. So yeah, so the live stream will be good because nobody's going to come here annoying. So that would be great. So apparently my camera's not broken. It's something covered so nobody knows my face. So today we're gonna show it. So we're gonna play. So stay your people and we're gonna give you up to if you team up first, we're gonna give you the free card or the cheat to give you so any kind of games to do. So anyways, like for example, like how do you get jailbreak? That'll be easy. So if you know it, so go to my live stream so today. So see ya people.